Little mullet head, some wire. We're gonna see if there are any hungry sharks out today. All right, y'all, we are running low on shark bait. So got a little diamond jig here. The last little bit of shark bait we have is being absolutely munched by little bluefish and stuff. So we're gonna see if we can catch one of these little blues, whatever they are, and we're gonna send them right back out there. Got the ultralight with me today, so this should be pretty fun. It's been a lot of Spanish around too, so it'd be nice to get some mackerel. But we'll take whatever we can get that we can use for bait. All right, guys, new rig for catching these little jacks and stuff. Got a bigger spoon for the distance, but they're keyed in on little glass minnows. So got a little kind of makeshift crappie jig right here. Should get absolutely smoked. Let's get to work. Main problem is, you notice I got the drag pretty loose. Little hook on this one. This is the one they usually hit whenever we use this technique, just when they're keyed on these little baits, and bend it out really easily. So just something to be mindful of. Looks like he's hooked up down there. Too bad we're about to be hooked up right here though. See if we can get that first cast. Tide's finally starting to come in, so hopefully with this water moving, kind of get something starting to happen. We had a really good push of sharks earlier. Hooked up to 3, pretty much back to back to back. Kind of seems like they pushed out along with the other fish. So hopefully this water moving kind of gets them going again. Yeah, he got something down there. Like a little pompano. All right, we're gonna go ahead and shut the camera off, save some battery, and we'll get back to you guys once we hook up. I kid you guys not, literally the next cast after I turned the camera off, hooked up. Just gonna fight it relatively easy. Feels like a little bluefish. Oh, we got? No, a little jack. Let's go. That's exactly what we want right here. That is what we're after. So you smoked that little grub on the end of the spoon. We're gonna get this guy cut up and send him right on back. Smoked the grub.
Hey, boy. Oh, he smoked that.
James. Dude, let me see that. Oh no. You got plenty. Dude, he's about to spool. Real.
Turn him, Kyle. Come on.
I got him. Holy shit. This recording? Yep.
I know it's not great. I'm like, holy
Dude, he's hooked good. Don't. Let me just get some more line on the reel.
Oh, I see him up there. He was straight out.
It's just a big blacktip.
Nah, man, it's a bull. Really?
Just keep the movement soft. I swear to God, if you break them off by the time I get back, I'm gonna make you look like that PVC pipe. Bro, when that pipe snapped, I thought it was the rod.
Yeah, I know.
James and I just looked at it on the ground for a second, and then it started hauling. Oh, I'm gonna give you my phone while I run down there.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Come on, James, get that pompano. Let's see what the drag's like.
You honestly can tell you this.
I didn't want to get tangled up in the pompano rig. Keegan, set that one in that rod holder.
When you get this line up.
Yep. It's a big black. I'll flip her this side. Yeah, you can throw them back. That's a grown black tip. Oh, let go. Bro, open up.
You got it? Alright, watch out.
She is a grown one.
Kyle, please don't get good.
I'm gonna get smoked. Other way, big girl. There she goes. All right, y'all. One shark on the sand. Decent little tipper. Let's see if we can go ahead and get us another. Right where everybody's surfing too. I'm just kidding. So these sharks are fairly close. A lot of people don't realize just how close, but these things are no more than 20, 30 feet off the beach. Yeah! Let them run. This next wave right here, I'm gonna grab her. Hang on. Whew. You can go ahead and stick it in that rod holder. What happened? You got caught so fast. What happened? You got caught so fast. Yep. See how her eyes are closed right there?
Yeah.
She wants to bite my hand. Just bring the whole box. You're good. All right, let's go ahead and get this tag in there. There we go. You wanna hold that for me for a sec? Swim out. Go the other way. There she goes. She gone. There we go. Oh, it just came off right there. What's up, guys? So just wanted to film a quick little outro for this video and say thank you so much for watching. If you did somehow unbearably watch the whole video and make it this far, thank you so much for doing so. A like, comment, subscribe, really any interaction with this video would greatly be appreciated. And I'm going to start to try to make more of these longer form YouTube videos and start posting more regularly. So we'll just close out again by saying thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one.